welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nadale and I make videos on makeup, motherhood and lifestyle. So if that's something you're interested in, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Okay ladies, today we will be doing a Zeelool haul. So Zeelool is an online store where you can purchase glasses frames. You can get prescription glasses, blue light glasses, or just I think fashionable glasses if you don't want to put your prescription in there. So Zeelool sent me 6 beautiful glasses today, and all of them have my prescription in it, if in case you were wondering, and they are also blue light glasses. Out of those 6 glasses, I was able to choose 2 of the styles that I liked, so you will also see them as well. So in the package it comes with a shipping list, and on the shipping list will say your order number and the date as well. It will also have the SKU. It will have the description of the glasses, whether it's single frame, blue light, high index, and then how many of that specific frame is on there. So it will also show your prescription for each one of those things. So I was really grateful for this list, and it does say that the quantity is 6. Each glasses comes in this wonderful pouch. This is what the pouch looks like, and it just says the name of the brand, Zeelool, on there. I just love their logo, the way it's like glasses frames right here. I think that's so cute. They also sent this PD ruler. I think it's to measure the distance between your eyes, but I thought this was so cool. I never had one of these before. And they also included the cloth that you will be using to clean off the glasses in this pretty gray color, and it says the name of the brand and by Zeelool glasses at the bottom. I also got a coupon code as well, and if I have a discount code, it will be added in the description box below. So when the brand reached out to me, I was super excited. One, because I'm blind as a bat, if you know, you know. And I remember having to wear glasses when I was in my young teenage years, and the worst thing you want to do is have to add glasses to your wardrobe like as a teenager, because you want to look cool and you want to like just wear your normal face, and glasses back then were referred to as like being geekish and like off trend. So I didn't wear my glasses for years, and I think that contributed to my eyesight being so poor at the age that I am right now, because I strained my eyes instead of just wearing glasses, and I didn't want to wear glasses because in my opinion they were not cute enough. But if they had these glasses back then, girl, I would be wearing a new glasses every single week. Okay, I am so excited for this, and I'm saying to the 13-year-old me, 12-year-old me, girl, it wouldn't always be like that. Okay, we're gonna be stylish and still be able to see. So let's go ahead and review these glasses. I am going to go in the order of the shipping list just to make it easier for myself. I want you guys to rank your favorite glasses, so you can go from 1 to 6, with 6 being the top, you know, the one that you like the most. So this is the first pair of glasses that I wanted to show you guys. It is called the Lamont glasses on their website. It is black all around. This one does have the blue light in it as well. It retails for $25.95 currently on their website, and is in the size medium. It is also a rectangular shape, and is made of the material acetate. So let's go ahead and try these on. Now tell me we're not started off hot. I just think that this pair is like one of my favorites already. Like, it is just so cute, and it's giving. I didn't want to wear any like jewelry to throw it off. I just wanted you guys to focus on the glasses, and I just feel like it's so chic and classy. And when the brand reached out to me, I told them, girls that look like me with wider noses and round faces, we have a hard time finding glasses online, okay? And I was excited to show all of the beautiful styles that they had, but to show that you can also find frames that can match your face as somebody with a rounder face and a wider nose. So definitely for the girlies who have similar features to mine, we are not forgotten, okay? And $25.95, you kind of beat that with a steak. Okay, I just really love these, and it just makes me so happy when I wear it. It's so cute. I know I'll be getting a lot of use out of these. My favorite thing about these glasses is the fact that my eyebrows are showing, so when I have my makeup on, I don't feel like as if, you know, it's messing up the look. So if you want this glasses, girl, I say get it before it sells out, because Zeelool is always on sale. That's one thing again I really love about their site, and you probably saw them like everywhere on Instagram or on Facebook or right here on YouTube. Like, they are literally everywhere, and for good reason, okay? So for the second pair of glasses, we have this pair right here, which was chosen by the brand, and her name is Fidelia, and she is currently $7 on the website. She is a beautiful dual tone pair of glasses. As you can see, there's pink around the edges and black on the inner portion of the frames. So you have that beautiful pink color on the inside, and then you have the temple of the glasses right here being black on the outside but pink on the inside. So I really like this as well. The shape of these glasses is a cat eye shape, and usually I wouldn't go for a cat eye, but the cat eye is not too catty, you know? Like, it's just the right amount of cat eye. And you know, ladies with features like mine, you know what I'm talking about. Some of these glasses get too catty with the cat eyes, and I just kind of do it. But yo, I would have overlooked her glasses like this, but in person she looks so cute. I think that's translating on camera as well, but she is just so cute. Like, I really like these frames. Like, instead of ordering food today, take that $7 and get you a pair of frames. Like, what are you doing? It is plastic, but it's a good plastic. Like, I love the fact that this is so sturdy, because you know, glasses tend to like bend upwards. Like, this seems very sturdy to me, and I really just love these glasses so much. I think they are so cute, okay? So cute, so stunning, so chic, all of that. Next up, you guys are not ready for this, okay? You are not ready. I wanted a pair of glasses like these so bad. So this one is called Connie, and they refer to this color as crystal, but I just say clear, so they are all clear all around. She retails for $22.95, and she is a hot number, okay? She's very popular in the streets. I have seen a lot of girls with glasses like this, and you see how my energy just got boosted. I'm telling you, this is a must-have. Every girl that wears glasses need a pair of clear frames. And don't say I never told you, okay? Because is it just me? No, it's not just me. I just really like how this glasses makes me feel, because I like wearing makeup, okay, and I want to be able to see my makeup. I don't want the glasses to distract sometimes. I just feel like this is so on trend. This is so trendy. It is perfect for the young, you know, female who just wants to look cute but also wants to see her makeup but also wants to see, okay? And this is just the perfect one. For my girls with round faces, wider noses, rectangular shapes are for you. You probably might gravitate towards that more than anything, because I just think it complements all features. I wouldn't recommend getting round frames for a round face. You kind of need the rectangular frame to balance it off, and I definitely love that about these glasses. So Connie, for me, she's number one. Okay, so this third pair of glasses was actually chosen for me by the brand, but I am in love with this green color. I typically wouldn't choose a green color just because I just kind of go for neutrals, but look at the details on the side. It has like a shimmery, sparkly like side right here, and this is also gold on the side. So I will say that this one doesn't feel as sturdy as the others, and that's probably because the temple is a bit thinner, but nonetheless she is a moment. Okay, tell me, do you not like this? Like, she is so cute. I wouldn't have chose these glasses myself, but I'm happy they chose it for me because I am definitely liking this style. This one is called Rods. She is dark green and retails for $9.95 currently. They refer to the shape as square on their website. It is lightweight, like definitely lightweight. But tell me, do you guys like green glasses? Do you feel like they match my skin complexion well? I just feel like it really goes well with me. Like, yeah. Moving right along, we have two more glasses that they picked out for me, and these ones are the fun ones. Okay, these are the party I'm here, like really want to make a statement ones. So I will start off with the one that is a little less like kapow. So this one is a leopard. It's not described as a leopard print on their site, but I just refer to it as that. It is like a gray and black pattern all around. This one is called Alfred, and it is $7 currently on the website, and they describe these as a butterfly design. Now, I have never tried a butterfly design before, but based on what I can see, it's not too bad at all. Like, it doesn't cover my eyebrows all the way. It does cover like the outer portion of my eyebrows, but I can deal with that. Okay, I feel like it will still be good for those days when I'm wearing makeup, and you know, it definitely is a stylier type of glasses, and I still like it though. I feel like with an all black outfit, this will definitely pop, especially if you're wearing a red lip as well. So that's a nice little outfit idea for you if you choose these glasses. But this one again is Alfred. On to the last pair of glasses. This is the final pair. It is dual tone again, so it is blue at the bottom with the leopard type of design at the top, and the leopard goes all the way to the temple of the glasses. These frames are described as a square shape on their website. The name of this frame is Benitez, and it currently retails for $7, and this one definitely has some weight to it. Okay, it just seems like more heavyweight, more durable, like a really like strong material. This one I definitely would not have chosen for myself, but I still think it's so cute. Like, I feel like all of these would definitely hit. No misses, no misses in this vlog. Okay, tell me what you guys think though. Like, I definitely really love these glasses, and I just want to say thank you, Zeelool, for sending me these glasses. Your girl definitely needed them, but with the fast shipping and the stylish fashionable frames for the price point, like, it just doesn't get better than this. Believe the hype, I'm telling you, they are worth getting. Okay, really cannot wait to hear what you guys rate all of these glasses. Thank you girls so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.